A beautiful sunrise. Good morning. Indian robin, sparrow, and many other birds start their day with their dawn chorus. Tailor bird is in search for its breakfast. From the top of branches, Silver Bill looked down and continued foraging for food. A peacock, too heading for his first meal of the day. Leaves have fallen and most of the trees are bare, but the greater cowhare managed to find the green patch and food. The freshly blooming flowers of drumstick provides nectar to many birds. Red-vented bulbul enjoying the fresh blooms, and here comes the partner. The male cuckoo, extremely shy, loves to eat the fruits of garden hedges. Female cuckoo too makes sure she is well hidden, and keeping one eye on surrounding, she enjoys her meal. Red-vented bulbul loves eating fruits of oleander. It's a feast for these birds. Food doesn't come easy always. Jungle babbler and common manna fighting over food. Finally, Manna gets to eat her hard-earned food. The trippy goes to the inside branches to eat its food in peace. The sun goes up. In the afternoon, birds have many important works: itching, scratching, honing their beaks, molting. And sunbathing in cozy winter. Sometimes alone, or sometimes you may get a partner. The fun continues. It's time to relax and digest the food. In this dry winter too, somewhere, life is blooming. It's time to say goodbye to a wonderful day. Birds leave for their roosting places in flocks. The day spent in nature brings you closer to life. Good night.